Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and our place within it. I'm your host, David, and I'm delighted to have you join me on this journey. As we step into the world of nature, we're reminded that change is an ever-present force, shaping the landscapes and ecosystems around us. Today, we're going to talk about a rather unexpected example of this change, one that might seem out of place in a natural history podcast. But bear with me, as it has some fascinating implications. You see, in the heart of Florida, there's a world that's not entirely natural, yet it's deeply intertwined with our perceptions of nature and adventure. I'm talking about Disney World, specifically Animal Kingdom, where a significant transformation is underway. The area known as Dinoland USA, with its dinosaur-themed attractions, restaurants, and shops, is closing down to make way for something entirely new. Now, you might wonder why this is relevant to Nature Walk. But think about it. Theme parks like Disney World play a crucial role in shaping our cultural narratives about nature, wildlife, and exploration. They inspire countless people, especially children, to develop an interest in the natural world. The themes and attractions within these parks can influence how we perceive different environments and the creatures that inhabit them. The replacement for Dinoland USA, named Pueblo Esperanza, or Tropical Americas, promises to be an immersive zone with live music, lush landscaping, and new attractions based on the Indiana Jones franchise and the animated film Encanto. This shift from a dinosaur-themed area to one focused on tropical environments and fictional stories rooted in real-world ecosystems is intriguing. As we consider this change, it's worth reflecting on how our engagement with nature, both directly and through media and entertainment, influences our relationship with the environment. Theme parks can serve as gateways, inspiring visitors to learn more about and appreciate the natural world. However, they also present a curated experience, one that might not always accurately represent the complexities and challenges faced by ecosystems today. The closure of Dinoland USA and the opening of Pueblo Esperanza in Animal Kingdom serves as a reminder that our interactions with nature are multifaceted. Whether through conservation efforts, educational programs, or even theme park attractions, how we choose to engage with and represent the natural world matters. As we pause to consider these themes, let's take a moment to appreciate the real wildlife encounters available in Animal Kingdom, from the Kilimanjaro safaris to the Gorilla Falls exploration trail. These experiences not only entertain, but also educate, fostering a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life on Earth. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of rainforest conservation and a groundbreaking technology that's helping scientists uncover the secrets of these incredible ecosystems. In the heart of the Peruvian Amazon, a team of researchers has been using drones to collect environmental DNA, or eDNA, from the forest canopy. This innovative approach is providing a unique glimpse into the biodiversity of these regions and shedding light on the importance of preserving them. Imagine a drone flying over the lush rainforest, lowering a probe into the dense foliage and collecting genetic material from the trees and branches. This is exactly what's happening in the Peruvian Amazon, where scientists are using this technology to detect and identify the incredible array of species that call these forests home. From birds and monkeys to insects and reptiles, the diversity of life in these ecosystems is staggering, and this new technique is helping us understand it like never before. The team behind this project has been working tirelessly to develop and refine this technology, and their results are nothing short of remarkable. By analyzing the eDNA samples collected from the canopy, they've been able to detect an astonishing 257 vertebrate species, with some samples containing genetic material from as many as 50 different species. This is a game-changer for conservation efforts, as it provides a powerful tool for identifying and protecting the most vulnerable and endangered species. But what's even more exciting is that this technology is not just limited to detecting species. It's also providing valuable insights into the complex relationships between different organisms in these ecosystems and how they interact with their environment. By studying the eDNA collected from the canopy, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of the delicate balance of these ecosystems and how human activities like deforestation and climate change are impacting them. As we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world, it's clear that technology like this is going to play an increasingly important role in our efforts to conserve and protect it. The potential for eDNA analysis to inform conservation decisions and drive policy changes is vast, and it's inspiring to see scientists and researchers pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Welcome back to Nature Walk. Today we've been exploring the intricate relationships within our ecosystem, and now it's time to shift our focus to a critical issue affecting Australia's unique biodiversity. Habitat destruction, driven by land use change, has become a pressing concern, threatening the very existence of many species. The story begins with the alarming rate of land clearing across the country, particularly in Queensland and New South Wales. The consequences are far-reaching, with nearly 2 million hectares of koala habitat cleared between 2012 and 2021. This not only affects the iconic koalas, but also countless other species that call these forests home. The problem lies not just in the area of land being cleared, but also in the fragmentation of remaining habitats. As roads, fences, and logging operations carve up the landscape, small remnants of vegetation become isolated, making it difficult for species to move, find food, and adapt to a changing climate. Climate change itself is a significant player in this narrative, as altered rainfall patterns and rising temperatures push species to their limits. The 2019-2020 Black Summer fires were a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of land management decisions and climate change. Australia's environmental governance is split across jurisdictions, with states controlling day-to-day regulation and the federal government overseeing matters of national significance. However, this division often creates gaps, allowing substantial habitat loss to occur without proper referral or assessment under national law. So, what can conservation efforts realistically achieve? Expanding protected areas, restoring habitats, and incentivizing private land stewardship are all crucial steps. Nevertheless, these measures are only effective if the pace of clearing is slowed and repair outstrips destruction. As we conclude today's Nature Walk, remember that biodiversity doesn't negotiate, it responds to what's left on the ground. Australia still boasts extraordinary natural beauty, but its modern economy must find a balance with the needs of its unique wildlife and ecosystems. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.